How to unhide first column in Excel. So for that you have to watch this video till the end and dive into the process. So if you don't have your first column on your Excel, just go back here and you have to just go for your home screen. Once you are on your home screen, here you will see the format option. Just go for your format. Once you are on your format, here you can see the hide and unhide. So here you can just go for the hide columns and just go for the unhide columns here. Just go for the hide and unhide. And you have to just go for the unhide rows and just go for that. Again, go for the hide and unhide. Just go for the unhide column here. And after that, here you have to again go for your format. Just go for that here. And just go for the unhide column here. So after that, here you will have your first column here. You can see that. After that, you will easily have your first column on your Excel. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.